Hi, Gregory Allen here with HCBC Services in Riverside, California. HCBCServices.com, sharing with you how we clean air ducts in your home. First of all, we do not use a rotating brush system that can cause damage inside your ductwork. We use only high pressure air. We take off each individual register off the wall or the ceiling. We then run a high pressure rigid air line through that opening all the way to the very end of the duct, and having put over that opening a sealed clear box, we then open the air line and blow high pressure air, pulling that line back out, blowing all that loose dust and debris out of the wall through that sealed box into a suction vacuum chamber down below. It's fantastic. Gets rid of all the loose dust and debris, cleaning the air that you're going to breathe. It's fantastic for homes that are excessively dusty, that perhaps have occupants with allergies that might have difficulty breathing at night because the microscopic dust particles are gently being blown through the AC system and the heating system while you're sleeping and you're trying to breathe all that in, not even realizing it. It also is great if you have had perhaps a construction project in your home and there could be the drywall dust that kind of becomes aerosolized into the air and will end up inside your ductwork. So I encourage you to check it out. Call us, let us come in and clean your air ducts, and I'm quite certain you'll be very, very pleased with the results. Thank you so much for checking us out. We hope to talk to you soon, and God bless you.